You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. This is my stir-fry shrimp. Yes, it didn't quite come out the way I wanted it. The shrimps had a lot of liquid inside the shrimp, and there was no way of me knowing that there was so much liquid that was built up or tied up or knot up inside of the shrimp. Yes, they pass the shrimps off as jumbo shrimps. Yes, by soaking it in a lot of water and then freeze it. And so you buy them and you thaw them out and you think everything is all right. But once you start cooking them, they just shrink right down from jumbo to medium-sized shrimp and produce a lot of water. So yes, for that I'm disappointed. That's what I experienced. So yes, the shrimps produce a lot of water, a lot of liquid. All right, so this is my stir-fried bean sprout shrimp. Yes, decorated with parsley. Yes, that is parsley trimming around the seasoned rice, and top off with some diced up parsley on top of the shrimps. So you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is a trailer. Yes, this is a trailer indicating the premiere coming next. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, this is my stir-fry shrimp. Alright. Trailer. My stir-fry shrimp trailer. Alright, and you've seen this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. So this will be coming to you, yes, very soon. My stir-fried bean sprout shrimp. Stir-fried bean sprout shrimp trim with parsley. Alright, and you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.